Hello everyone, this is Gary, and today we're doing another life skills video. The life skill we're looking at today as part of a series of videos is drawing and sketching. The way in which these videos work is as follows. I've gone to a location and taken a photograph, thinking as I do so about its composition. I've brought it back and then ran it through some photo editing software to produce an initial outline which I can then use as the basis for my drawing. I then sought to copy that so that I can produce my own version, my own drawing, and as I don't have a great deal of expertise, but I am trying to learn to draw and to sketch, I've used what techniques and facilities and applications that are available, including projection, tracing app, and camera Lucida, to produce in the end what I hope is a satisfactory drawing. So without more ado, as they say, let's just get into it. Okay, so that was a brief, short life skills video on the subject of drawing and sketching, part of a series of videos on that topic. I hope you found it useful, and I certainly enjoyed making it. Now, if you like this kind of video, please mark it as a like, and if you wish to see more videos like this, then please subscribe. And apart from that, all that is left for me to say is thank you very much for watching and listening to this video, and bye for now.